Hi, it's Tim for the Realme 11 Pro Plus, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So open first the settings, then tap to the wallpapers and style, click to allow, tap to wallpaper section, and you'll see here all of the available wallpapers which you could use. For example, you could use album with the photos from your device gallery, or to taken previously on your device camera, or downloaded from the internet, and also you could use your default wallpapers. So for example, let's select one from the wallpapers. Okay, click to this is the live one. Live you could use not only for lock or home screen, you could set it on both screens together. So let's select one from the static wallpaper, tap to apply, select lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.